Make it better for you, my confirmed person. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time where this video take with you. This is now Open Heaven's Daily Devotional for Monday, will be the 19th day of August 2024. Our topic for today now, handling failure. Handling failure. Our Bible reading for today, they come from the book of Judges chapter 20, from verse 18, go enter 35. And our memory verse for today, they come from the book of 2 Corinthians chapter 4, verse 8. And that will tell us to say, with the face be gave from every corner, then the fear run us down. We don't know the way forward, though, but we know they give up. When we hear today's message, the way people they respond to failure go determine whether they go eventually live in victory or not. Failure not there as bad as people depend on to be. It not really mean say the end don't come, but it is try to show you say may you try again but use another method. Almost all the scientific breakthroughs they come from failure. If most scientists can say, hey, oh, I don't do that, I don't feel they can stop the first time when they fail. They not forever get that kind of breakthrough. Every successful person when you see today now product of failures. If you try today and you fail, rise up and try again, but use another different method. As long as you dey sure, say what you did do, they in line with the will of God. Not give up, just continue to dey try until you succeed. For today Bible reading, the Israelites they ask God if may they go do battle against the Benjamites, and if they go win. God tell them say, go fight, you go win. However, when they reach the battlefield, they defeat them. The question we will call in their mind be say, God can't deceive us. But they refuse to give up. They gather themselves again. They can't go ask God again. Make we go fight the Benjamites. God tell them say, go again. As they go again, the Benjamites defeat them. At this point, I wish they give up. The thing for really makes sense because they don't lose over 40,000 men. And it can't be as if God, the only one where they trust, they deceive them. I wish they give up. At least people say, okay, they try, but they don't give up. They go back to God. This time, they can't fast. They can't give offering to God. They can't ask him again, say, make we go fight the Benjamites. And God say, may they go. As they go, and as we see for our Bible reading of today, they call use another different strategy and they call defeat the Benjamites. No give up. Your breakthrough probably dey just around the corner. All you need to do now try again one more time. The next time when you encounter failure for your life, ask yourself this question. Wetin make God dey allow me go through this thing? If you dey consistent with your prayer life and your work with God, then ask this question. Wetin I suppose learn from this experience? Wetin God dey try to teach me with this failure? E get another way when I go fit achieve wetin I wan achieve, another strategy. When you don't answer this question sincerely, you go draw better lesson wey go help you achieve success the next time when you try am. Our key point for today be say, failure dey only dey try to show you say make you use another method unless say God na tell you say make you no do am. Failure no be the end. Try another method as long as it dey in line with the will of God. But here we take come to the end of our message for today. Don't forget say our topic na handling failure. And this message when you just hear, it comes from the Open Heaven's Daily Devotional, and now Pastor E.A. Adeboye, when be the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God worldwide, now I write this Ogbongelicious book. My confirmed person, make you don't forget, say this na still Favour's blog, and I hear you hear this Ogbonge message. I bet what you go help us do. Help us like this video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you could be one of the first persons to get our next video. We go jump for the next video.